Modern technology has just ushered agriculture into a new era with the development of high-tech harvesters, cloud databases for data management and analytics on each crop and animal, and advanced robots capable of performing any manual labor. These innovations have helped meet the growing global food demand with unmatched efficiency and affordability. However, this rapid technological advancement comes at a cost. Many farmers and laborers may soon find themselves out of work. What are these powerful machines, and how deeply have they impacted the industry? Join us as we reveal the agricultural innovations that could leave farmers unemployed. The transformation of agriculture. Cargill Region Connect has garnered a lot of attention recently due to its partnership with a well-known agricultural company, John Deere. As a result of teaming up and expanding a bit more, Cargill has witnessed more expansion through the Region Connect project, a platform that enables farmers to share their operations and synchronize a lot of AG data. Through the Region Connect platform, farmers who are already using the program can easily connect their in-field operations and seamlessly manage the data through the John Deere Operations Center. As John Deere and Cargill come together, they approach the issue of sustainability from a collective viewpoint on how they can make a difference in terms of digital transformation. Ideally, this means that farmers can now have at their disposal the kind of technology that helps them take the next big steps towards sustainability and profitability on their farms. This collaboration is committed to developing solutions that serve the common interests of farmers, facilitating the promotion of such important practices as sustainable agriculture through cutting-edge tools that also improve their financial standing. In the Cargill and John Deere alliance, it leaves people worried as workers are being replaced with high-tech robots, which are becoming the norm in agriculture. In particular, since their collaboration enables the application of more advanced technologies and automation into agriculture. John Deere's precision agriculture technologies, as well as its automated machinery like self-driving tractors and robotic harvesters, can do some of the tasks that were formerly done by workers. With these technologies being more and more employed, the need for manual labor in activities such as planting, harvesting, and field maintenance has been less and less. As the farms are becoming more technology-oriented and implementing more effective methods, there has been a reduction in the demand for a larger workforce. By going beyond data and relying solely on sophisticated data analytics, farmers are increasingly taught by data about planting, fertilizing, and watering decisions. This has led to not requiring on-the-ground roles that are primarily involved in these kinds of processes. Supply chains and farming operations optimization gives rise to structural changes that agricultural enterprises experience. These improvements help to save money and the number of employees that are needed because there are not so many people that are needed to operate the new and better systems. What are some of these machines that are changing the world of farming as we know it? CH570 Cane Harvester. The all-new CH570 harvester with its outstanding comfort and innovative cane handling system will provide better returns for your operation by increasing the amount and quality of cane delivered from your field during the whole life cycle of your crop at a reduced cost. Harvest Monitor is an industry-exclusive technology from John Deere that gathers and analyzes valuable harvest information, enabling sugarcane producers to make smarter decisions that drive down harvesting costs and improve overall farming practices. From the cab, the operator can monitor total tons harvested, harvester productivity, trash percentage, and fuel consumption. The operator can then use this information to make on-the-fly adjustments to optimize performance. Through the John Deere Operations Center, the data can be processed to generate yield and other valuable maps and reports that will guide producers into making the right decisions on soil and water management, chemical application, crop renewal, field layout, equipment logistics, and much more. The CH570's base cutter and chopper set the benchmark for cutting and feeding in the global market. The standard 251 kilowatt engine option has the base cutter and chopper on one high-pressure hydrostatic circuit driven by a powerful piston pump, maximizing efficiency. The 280 kW option includes an additional piston pump so that the base cutter and chopper are in two independent circuits, increasing the capacity to process the heaviest cane. The unmatched 5.2-meter topper reach with a strong boom design and a cushion accumulator allows topping of the tallest cane. The new piston motor replaces the gear type for higher torque and efficiency. The collecting drums of the standard hole topper efficiently gather the tops before they are cut. Extensions can be added to guide leaves into the topper's cutting blades more effectively. It also works well where flowering sugarcane is common. The crop dividers, side knives, knockdown rollers, and floating sidewalls were redesigned for a smooth, uniform feed, reducing cane losses and soil content. The outside scrolls are now standard, so that your unit is always prepared for different circumstances on your farm. The length of the scrolls was increased, so the separation of lodged, tangled cane begins closer to the ground. The inside scrolls were angled towards the inside in order to improve feeding in heavy cane, and as a result, the crop divider knockdown rollers are no longer needed. The CH570's reliable cleaning system yields the cleanest cane in the industry. Cleaner cane, less billet loss, and less downtime will bring more profit. The CH570 boasts the largest primary extractor fan in the industry, using 4 blades that measure 5 feet in diameter. This fan cleans at lower speeds, reducing horsepower consumption and cane losses. The premium Smart Cab is 30% more spacious and offers all the necessary comfort, convenience, and intelligent features operators will ever need. Reduced noise levels, plus improved air conditioning cooling with overhead vents will keep the operator relaxed during long working hours. ROPA Eurom S4. The ROPA Eurom S4 is a self-propelled cleaner loader for sugar beet with a new 10.20 m wide pickup system. Depending on the level of cleaning required, the length and intensity of the cleaning path in the pickup system can be adjusted from the lifting operator cabin. For road driving, the complete machine folds in automatically to a road width of 3.00 m and a total length of only 14.97 m with just one operating element in the cabin. The large wheelbase of 5.50 m combined with 2 hydraulically sprung additional axles guarantees safe handling of the extremely robust loader. The chassis offers excellent driving comfort even at higher speeds. The loader operates with maximum fuel economy at reduced engine speed on the road and in the field. Without leaving the cabin and with only one control, the operator can transform the Eurom S4 from road drive to operating position in as little as 1 minute. The traction design is maximized for efficiency with the extremely economical 240 kilowatt Mercedes-Benz engine with AdBlue and SCR Cat, which is automatically driven at reduced engine RPM during loading, while at the same time maintaining enough power for extreme conditions. Compared to the previous model, the throughput has been significantly increased again with reduced fuel consumption. The cleaning area has been expanded for an optimal cleaning result in accordance with the increased throughput. Pump distributor gear unit with a load-switching multiple disc clutch ensures reliable cold start and minimized fuel consumption for all drives. The hydraulic system with optimized ratios in the pump distribution gears provides high throughput at a very quiet 1,200 loading RPM with very low fuel consumption. Powerful load-sensing hydraulics ensure the highest possible hydraulic fluid capacity and a prompt response of the entire operating hydraulics, even at idling speed. The cooling system with hydrostatically controlled and automatically reversing fans is protected from dirt. The counterweight arm, specially developed by the company's founder, Hermann Paintner, is made of special 700 fine-grained steel and contributes to the impressive performance of the Eurom S4 during loading whilst maintaining utmost stability. The counterweight arm is up to 9 meters long and 4 meters high and can be swung out together with the fuel tank, which serves as a counterweight to the truck conveyor, thus ensuring optimal balancing of the machine even at full 15 meters truck loading width. The weight of the loader is taken up by the counterweight arm at the machine center, leaving the frame unstressed. An absolutely safe and horizontal position and optimal traction on all 4 wheels are essential features of the ROPA counterweight concept. The 9RX Tractor. The new 9RX tractors increase productivity by 100 acres per day compared to previous models. With a maximum engine power of 830 HP, the model year 2025 John Deere 9RX 4-track tractor is the company's most powerful yet. The 2025 9RX is a ground-up redesign of Deere's 9RX series for its higher horsepower capabilities to achieve lower operating costs per acre, says Michael Porter, large tractors' go-to market manager for John Deere. With increased performance, the 9RX series enables farmers to eliminate passes, reducing soil compaction, and increasing productivity by 100 acres each day compared with previous models, Porter says. This is based on John Deere's internal testing, comparing the 2023 9RX 640 tractor pulling a 2006 80H high-performance disc at 11.9 mph with the new 9RX top-of-the-line 830 tractor pulling the same tool at 13.4 mph, both at maximum power for 8 hours a day at 4 inches deep in corn stalks. Deere offers the 9RX series in 3 models, the 710, 770, and 830. Each number correlates with the tractor's rated horsepower. The tractors are built with inline six-cylinder JD18 engines and 5 15-gallon fuel tanks. The JD18 is a single-fluid engine requiring no diesel exhaust fluid. Deere estimates this can save a farmer up to 800 gallons of DEF per year. The 9RX series uses the E21 21-speed transmission with Efficiency Manager. Farmers select a traveling speed, and the transmission shifts and manages RPMs to maintain the speed. Porter says the transmission is quick to accelerate for a smooth and responsive ride. An optional triple pump gives the 9RX series a hydraulic flow up to 168 gallons per minute. For implements with high hydraulic needs, Deere can build the engine with optional intelligent power management, adding a 40 HP bump. The 830 can achieve up to 3,123 pound-feet of torque at 1,004 RPM. The 9RX series has a Category 5 drawbar with a maximum vertical load of 19,000 pounds. The high power means the tractors can pull double the cart load of previous models while going 1 mph faster on average, Porter says. This can help reduce refilling time, translating to more time in the field. The new series has a base weight of 74,000 pounds with a maximum ballast of 84,000 pounds. John Deere has forgone traditional suitcase-style weights and traded out for forklift-ready mono weights to expedite adding or removing the ballast. These new 4-track 9RX tractors have a 15.2-foot wheelbase and a 22.3-foot turning radius from the rear axle center line. The series uses Camsoag 3,500 tracks at 30 inches wide with 88 inches of tread spacing. Optional, Camsoag 6,500 tracks are available at 36 inches wide with 120 inches of tread spacing. The 9RX series is built with the new CommandView 4 Plus cab, with 15% more floor space compared with previous models and 20% more visibility on the right side, thanks to the removal of the wheel well. The new cab suspension system has 3 degrees of freedom, allowing the cab to pivot independent of the rest of the tractor. The passive air seat provides a smoother ride. The seat in the Select cab package swivels 8 degrees to the left and 40 degrees to the right, while the Premium and Ultimate package seats swivel 25 degrees to the left and 40 degrees to the right. Other amenities include a new footrest peg, extra storage for tools, and a cooling box for food and drinks. Buyers can select from 3 radio packages, with options including AM or FM radio, auxiliary input jack, USB audio and video inputs, SXM satellite radio, Apple AirPlay and Android Auto compatibility, speaker system, Bluetooth microphone, and more. Additionally, farmers can choose from 3 lighting visibility packages to meet their operational needs. HX9010C and HX1151C. Coyote builds nearly every component on its fleet of machines, and the new HX series are no different, intended for consistent quality across models. The HX9010C and HX1151C are Coyote's most powerful tractors yet, featuring Coyote's 4-cylinder diesel engine capable of hitting up to 90 HP and 115 HP respectively. Both models have a power boost feature, raising PTO horsepower by 9%, taking the HX9010C from 70 to 70.7 PTO horsepower, and the HX1151C from 83.9 to 91.5 PTO horsepower. The HX series features a hydraulic shuttle transmission with equal forward and backward speeds and a maximum speed of 24 miles per hour. The tractors have heavy-duty front axles with standard planetary drives and limited slip differentials, built for durability and increased traction in adverse operating conditions. Both models weigh 10,230 pounds, with a lift capacity of 8,000 pounds 24-inch aft of hitch. The tractors have a fuel tank capacity of 47.55 gallons. The HX models are compatible with Coyote's K-Lone 155 front-end loader, specifically designed for this series. The loader is controlled by a single joystick and has a quick-attach bucket. The bucket has a maximum lift height of 12.5 feet, a volume capacity of 26 cubic feet, and a full-height lift capacity of 4,316 pounds. The HX tractors are built with a spacious cab and comfort features like climate control, and a deluxe air suspension seat. The seat has fore and aft adjustment, in addition to swivel and a heated lower cushion, with the standard instructor seat off to the side. These models' electronic hitch enables the operator to tune the hitch without leaving the cab. This feature also allows operators to adjust speed, hitch operating range, draft settings, and engagement position for the Auto PTO feature. The Beet Harvester. The ROPA Euro Tiger V84 is considered one of the most reliable root crop bunkers in the world. The power transfer from the 440 kW engine Mercedes-Benz 5 or 8 with SCR catalytic converter and AdBlue of the Euro Tiger 584 is more efficient, with significantly reduced fuel consumption and greater torque. With its bunker capacity of over 40 cubic meters, it can be used efficiently and flexibly on short and particularly long beet fields. The perfect combination of automatic bunker filling and hydraulic axle load control with integrated suspension ensures optimal traction with the best possible weight distribution and outstanding maneuverability under all harvesting conditions. Good soil protection is maintained by the 800 or 70 R32 Ultraflex 2 CHO tires on the front axle. They require only 1.4 bar tire pressure, even with the bunker fully loaded. The soil is protected, and damping characteristics are improved at the same time for even greater driving comfort. The Broad 9070L. The new Holland Broad 9070L is the ultimate grape harvester designed for efficiency, precision, and quality. Built with advanced technology, this machine sets a new standard in vineyard operations. At the heart of the 97th L is the SDC shaking system. It carefully shakes the vines, ensuring that only the best grapes are harvested. Maximum yield with minimal damage to both fruit and vine. With OptiGrape technology, the 97th L delivers the cleanest grape sample possible. Unwanted leaves and debris are blown away, leaving you with nothing but high-quality grapes. The 9070L high-capacity bins allow farmers to harvest longer without interruptions. Less time unloading means more time getting the job done. Inside, the 9070L is all about comfort and control. The ergonomic cab design and multifunction joystick make it easy for the operator to manage every aspect of the harvest, all from a seat with an exceptional view. Powered by a fuel-efficient engine, the 9070L is built to handle the demands of your vineyard while keeping fuel costs low. It's not just powerful, it's economical too. Versatility is key. The Broad 9070L isn't just for grapes, it's a multi-crop harvester, perfect for olives and other crops. Whatever farmers grow, the 9070L is ready to harvest it. Built to last, the 9070L is crafted with high-quality materials and designed for durability. Maintenance is simple, keeping downtime to a minimum and productivity at its peak. And with New Holland's precision farming solutions, the 97th L doesn't just harvest, it gathers data. Real-time insights help farmers make smarter decisions, improving the vineyard's overall efficiency. Nexat Tractor. The company Nexat presents a completely new harvesting system, which has only become possible through the latest technical developments. As the basic framework, the 1100 horsepower Nexat tractor is used, also known as a wide-span interchangeable carrier vehicle. Various attachments for soil cultivation, sowing, and harvesting can be attached to this machine. The work is carried out using the controlled traffic farming method. The system has working widths from about 19 feet to nearly 79 feet. Nexat's electric generators are currently powered by two independently driven 550 horsepower diesel engines, but the system is prepared to be powered by green hydrogen fuel cells. As each module is integrated, its weight is transferred onto the carrier vehicle and optimized so that it becomes a self-propelled machine. This enables the implements to be guided more accurately and with less slip, reducing the vehicle's fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Nexat says the system delivers 50% more power with 40% less weight. The Agrometer SRS 1200. Using the SRS 1200 means that slurry is injected during the entire working process. An agrometer pump unit is continuously supplying the injector with slurry through pipes and hoses, allowing the injector to stay in the field all the time. The low weight makes it possible to operate on quite soggy land. This will allow for the distribution season to start weeks earlier with an SRS of 1,200 than with a slurry tanker. Under normal circumstances, a tractor with around 145 horsepower is sufficient to ensure trouble-free operation. No need to stop, as the SRS can be transported with a filled hose due to a block valve. This helps to save time and manpower. Agrometer's patented hose guide arm makes it possible to drive the SRS like any other implement. At the end of the field, you turn just by turning on the wheel, and the guide arm automatically ensures that the hose is coiled correctly on the drum. The SRS 1200 can operate with arable land injectors and grassland injectors. Agrometer's SN 800 arable land injector is available with a working width of 8 meters, and the GN 1200 grassland injector is available in a 12-meter version. In just one working setup, the SRS 1200 can cover an area of more than 50 hectares. The Reinat H4. The present moment presents an excellent opportunity to invest in the Reinat H4 and utilize it for expanding new land or rejuvenating existing farming areas. With the Reinat 4, eroded terrains gain the potential to be restored to fertile soil. Typically, the natural soil formation process takes around 100 years to generate just 1 cm of soil. However, the Reinat H4 can produce a comparable amount of soil in a matter of minutes. Through its crushing mechanism, the Reinat merges crushed rock with the topsoil, resulting in a level, robust, and plant-ready surface. The Reinat rollers, in conjunction with soil sticks, leave behind a surface primed for seeding and agricultural cultivation. The latest model features more aggressive penetration to chew through rock more efficiently, saving time and money and allowing more land to be refinated per hour. The 28-ton machine acts much like a giant cheese grater, peeling away rock one layer at a time. The hydraulic tines impact the surface to reduce the size and mass of the rock before the 3-meter-wide water-filled ribbed drum completes the pulverizing process. As few as 2 or 3 passes will result in pea gravel-sized crushed rock mixed with soil to a depth of up to 600 millimeters, an ideal basis for growing a wide variety of crops and pastures. Designed to be as robust and simple as possible in order to minimize potential downtime and consumable costs, it can crush most rock types with little, if any, damage to wear parts due to stronger ground-engaging tools. Wear parts are easily accessible and very economical to replace. The H4 Reinat tines leading edges are designed to cut down through the rock a bit like a tile or glass cutter. Then the point or boot breaks further down through the rock. With a combined weight of up to 60 tons, something has to give, so the tines have a hydraulic dampening system that protects the wear parts and increases the machine's overall effectiveness. The Brouwer 4000. The ultimate companion for efficient turf harvesting, engineered for both simplicity and maneuverability. This automated machine boasts a tight turning radius, effortless reverse functionality, and a well-organized stacking system capable of transferring up to 5 rolls of turf onto rear-mounted pallets. While emphasizing user-friendliness and maintenance, comfort remains uncompromised. The Brouwer 4000 harvester comes equipped with a Deluxe OM cap. This cockpit features ultraviolet filtering windows, interior air conditioning, and additional trainer seats. This single-operator sod harvester is simple and state-of-the-art. It is capable of producing pallet after pallet of 16, 23, or 24 small rolls even in tender conditions. A simple robotic stacking system gently transfers 4 or 5 rolls of turf at a time to rear-mounted pallets that are easily handled with a forklift. Easy to operate and maintain, the Brouwer 4000 sod harvester is a cut above. Cutting lids include 16 inches, 24 inches, 23 inches, and 21 inches. The sod travels onto the Brouwer low-profile conveyor mat. It has double the ribs and a low profile for excellent traction with very little stress on the side. The typical Kesmac double starter gate and tray ensures a good start to producing a tight roll in extreme conditions. The second starter gate is a safety net for edges that miss the first gate because of stone or debris on the conveyor. Eagle Wheel Trencher. New Eagle wheel trenchers are a kind of equipment that is used for digging trenches in the ground for various reasons, such as laying pipes, cables, or drainage systems. These trenchers are recognized for their long-lasting, high efficiency and multifunctionality, as well as their ability to deal with various types of terrain. Wheel trenchers are crawler trenchers, which are normally the best choice as they can carry heavier loads and work in more difficult conditions for heavy-duty excavation work. The Eagle 9700 wheel trencher features a Cat Tier 4 diesel engine with 275 horsepower, all hydraulic drives with telematics, optional Trimble GPS automatic steering and grade control, and 9-foot digging depth by a 26 or 30-inch width cut. Other features include a pipe feed crumb shoe with optional gravel hopper and a pipe ferruled system. The approximate weight is 67,000 pounds. Bucket Wheel Excavator. A bucket wheel excavator is a large piece of heavy equipment used in surface mining to extract minerals from open pit mines. In a lignite quarry, bucket wheel excavators are typically used to extract lignite, which is a type of low-grade coal that is used primarily for energy production. The excavator is equipped with a large rotating wheel or bucket wheel that is fitted with a series of digging buckets. Additionally, it can be operated in a variety of weather conditions, making them highly versatile and reliable. The scale of BWEs varies significantly and is dependent on the intended application. Compact BWEs designed by ThyssenKrupp may have boom lengths as small as 6 meters, weigh 50 tons, and move 3,500 cu-feet of earth per hour. Their larger models reach boom lengths of 260 feet, weigh 13,000 tons, and move 440 cu-feet per hour. The largest BWE ever constructed is Takraf's Bagger 293, which is 93 meters tall and 225 meters long, weighs 14,200 tons, and is capable of moving 8,500 cu-feet of overburden every day. Bagger 293. Bagger 293, previously known as the MAN Takraf RB 293, is a giant bucket wheel excavator made by the German industrial company Takraf, formerly an East German Combinat. It owns and shares some records for terrestrial vehicle size in the Guinness Book of Records. Bagger 293 was built in 1995. The Bagger 293 cost around $100 million at the time of its construction, with exactly the same construction and assemblage time period of 10 years. It is used in a brown coal mine near Hambach, Germany. Bagger 293 is 96 meters 315 feet tall, the Guinness World Record for tallest terrestrial vehicle, shared with Bagger 288. It is 225 meters 738 feet long, the same as Bagger 287, weighs 14,200 tons 31.3 million pounds, and requires 5 people to operate. It is powered by an external power source providing 16.56 megawatts. The bucket wheel itself is over 21.3 meters 70 feet in diameter with 18 buckets, each of which can hold over 15 cubic meters, 530 cubic feet of material. It can move 240,000 cubic meters or 218,880 tons of soil per day, the same as Bagger 288. Verkin SP25 paver, perfect for use in construction with overlock stitch, produced by Verkin Group, a world-renowned manufacturer of high-performance equipment specialized technology. SP25. The Verkin SP25 is a multi-purpose compact paver. It is primarily meant for concrete surface paving that includes curbs, gutters, etc., and also moderate type of road pave work. Concrete profiles as wide, or even wider than 1 meter, up to a height of 1 m are typical, allowing SP25 to stand out from the competition like few others in this class. Due to this, it is suitable for multiple applications. The SP25 is powered by a powerful turbo diesel engine that produces approximately 125 kilowatts of power. At 1.5 speeds per minute, the highest operating rate is both efficient and accurate. Because of the machine's modular design, a configuration can be changed over for different types or placements of concrete, such as road surface versus curb versus barrier, very quickly, but various optional attachments and molds only help improve its versatility. Verkin SP25 is provided with an advanced control system that has manual as well as automatic operation modes. provides automatic, consistent concrete thickness and alignment while minimizing the need for manual adjustments. Maneuverability is a particular strength of the SP25, with each of its 4 steerable crawler tracks hydraulically adjustable to work in confined job sites. In addition, the automatic steering and leveling systems assure precision in paving, ensuring each project is completed to exacting standards. The SP25 is good for the highway and urban environments alike, favored among contractors that demand performance paired with the ability to switch within seconds between different tasks. The SP25 has really streamlined our workflow. The ease of use combined with its precision means we can take on more projects without compromising on quality. The Verkin SP25 slipform paver is a powerful tool in modern construction, delivering the precision and flexibility needed to tackle a variety of paving projects. Whether it's for small jobs or larger, more complex tasks, the SP25 stands out as a reliable choice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.